Hello everybody. So today I want to show you how to answer this one. So we know that about density. They just mentioned about gram per cubic centimeters. We know that 1 liter that is about 1000 cubic centimeters in here. So we have 1.45. We need to convert to this one. So we just put 1.45 multiplied by 1000. And you got about the volume of cubic centimeters. So later that we have the density. So this is about the volume. So we want to convert into the mass. So we need to multiply by density in here. And later that they want to convert into kilograms. So because we just got about grams in here. Now if we want to convert 1 kilogram, that is about 1000 gram in here. So we just have this value in here. This is in grams. We need to convert in kilogram. So we need to multiply by number 1. Later that we divide by 1000. Then you got about kilogram in here. So that means we just divide by 1000. And if we look carefully, we have 1000 and 1000. So we just use 1.46 multiplied by 0.710. You got the answer. And the question that is about 3 significant. So that should be about 1.0366 because we just have only 3 significant figures. So we need to round up 1.04 because number 6 is bigger than number 5. That's why we round up the number in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.